Hey, I'm Kate from WeRollWithIt. Today I'm going to show you how to put a vent fan into your Sprinter. Since we're going to be cutting holes in the van, it's nice to do this job indoors. So today we're at Oz Conversions, which is a shop in Sydney that you can book out by the hour to work on your Sprinter van. They have all the tools that you'll need, and if you do need extra assistance, you can also book the owner Helene to give you a hand with your project. So this is the fan we're going to be installing. There's two flanges that you'll find in the kit. This one's for interior, so let's save that one for later. And separate this from your fan, we're going to take this one up onto the roof with us. In the 144 Sprinter, there's two locations that you can put your fan, in the front or the rear. You can put it in both locations if you want, but I feel personally that's overkill. I'm going to put mine in the rear above the bed. So I'm going to measure a 355mm square. I want it dead center in the van. And I want to keep it inside of these centers that are marked here with the ridges on the roof of the van. So I'm using an air saw to cut the hole in the van. If you don't have one of these, you can probably use a jigsaw. But if you do think you're going to be building a lot of vans or cutting a lot of holes in the van, these things are an awesome investment, and honestly, it's my favorite tool. So air tool, jigsaw, have it your way. Okay, so I'm just going to use this acetone to clean around the edges here, where the Sikaflex is going to go, so it gets a really good seal. Okay, so the flange is flexed in, and I'm just taking a small screw to just pre-drill little pilot holes for these to go in, and these are going to screw in. They come with the fan. It's going to attach your flange to the van. Alright, I'm taping off a clean edge here, and I'm just going to put Sikaflex all across the edge and where the screws go, just to make sure that this fan is completely watertight. Alright, now that this is dry, it's time to put the fan on. There is 4 screws inside of your bag that have white heads on them, and we're going to use those to go in the sides here to mount this guy on. The tail faces the rear, the opening buttons face the front. Alright, so I put the fan in the open position. Alright, done. Enjoy your fan. Hey, I'm Kate from WeRollWithIt. Today I'm going to show you how to put a maxfan vent fan into your... Hey, I'm Kate from WeRollWithIt.
We have new problem.
I've already screwed stuff in there.
Oh, keep going.
You really screwed that up.
Really screwed that up. Come on, that's what you really want, no? This job is nice to be done inside
So, Kate, what don't you use to open glue?
Don't put a tiny screw in the top of the glue and then get it stuck in there.
Cool.
Oh, this thing.
What? Is that what it's for?
Yeah. Yeah.
Punch it.
Should use that instead of the dumb screwdriver that stuff in. That is satisfying. Yeah, it's just not quite. See that guy? Look at my camera. It's like,
Just give it a wiggle.
just give it a wiggle. Okay.